Welcome to this guided imagery relaxation session. Find a comfortable place to sit or lie down and let's begin. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, allowing the air to fill your lungs. As you exhale, release any tension you may be holding on to. Imagine yourself standing at the edge of a lush rainforest, surrounded by towering trees and vibrant greenery. The air is thick with moisture, and you can feel a gentle mist on your skin. Listen closely as the forest comes alive with the soothing sound of raindrops tapping on leaves. Picture the canopy above, dense with foliage, creating a natural umbrella that protects the forest floor. The raindrops dance on the leaves, creating a melodic rhythm that calms your mind. Imagine the scent of the rainforest, a mix of damp earth, blooming flowers, and the freshness of rain. With each inhale, you take in this invigorating aroma, allowing it to rejuvenate your senses. As you exhale, let go of any stress or worries, allowing them to dissolve into the tranquil atmosphere. Start walking deeper into the rainforest, your steps gentle and purposeful. The ground is soft beneath your feet, covered in a carpet of fallen leaves and moss. The sound of your steps mingles with the rhythmic pattern of raindrops, creating a soothing symphony. As you continue your journey, you come across a clear stream. The rainwater has collected here, creating a crystal clear pool. The water reflects the vibrant greens of the rainforest, mirroring the lush beauty that surrounds you. Dip your fingers into the cool water, feeling its gentle chill on your skin. With each touch, you sense a wave of calm washing over you. Find a comfortable spot by the stream and sit down. Close your eyes and listen to the rain falling on the water's surface. Feel the energy of the rainforest seeping into your being, grounding you and connecting you with nature's harmony. Imagine the raindrops gradually becoming softer, like a gentle lullaby. The forest is now enveloped in a sense of peacefulness, and you're a part of this tranquil symphony. Let your mind drift as you listen to the rain's whispered melody, allowing any remaining tension to melt away. As the rainforest rain continues to nourish the earth, feel a sense of renewal within yourself. With each drop, you are washed clean of any negativity, and with each breath, you absorb the forest's serene energy. As we near the end of this visualization exercise, take another deep breath in, savoring the moment, and slowly exhale, feeling a deep sense of relaxation. When you are ready, gently open your eyes, carrying the tranquility of the rainforest with you into your day. Remember that you can return to this rainforest retreat anytime you need a moment of relaxation and rejuvenation.